Hi. You're going to be reading or listening to a read aloud and reading today, and both of the selections are going to be about mammals. So, to start the lesson, I thought it would be fun to see how much you know about mammals. We're going to play a game called dun, 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 Guess the Mammal. To play this game, I'm going to give you some clues, and then you're going to try and guess the mammal. Here we go. Okay. So you can find me resting in rivers, lakes, and swamps to keep cool. I eat mostly grass, and I'm one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. What am I? I am the largest animal on Earth. My tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. I have to come to the surface of the water to breathe. What am I? I have soft gray-brown fur with white fur on my belly. You can find me in woodlands and grasslands. I glide through the air with the help of my tail. What am I? All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be also working on how the text is organized. So I want you to think about, how will Rattenborough organize the information that he's going to present in the read aloud? Well, I want to show you something that can help you understand how it's going to be organized. Remember, these are called text structures, and we've worked on these before. Text structures are all about how an author organizes information in the text. Today, we're going to really focus in on places where Rattenborough is showing a comparison. Now, when you show a comparison, you're showing the differences and the similarities between two or more things, like animals. So some clue words that we're going to come across is when Rattenborough says however, on the other hand, like, unlike, same, or both. Those are all clue words that tell us that Rattenborough is showing either the differences or the similarities between two or more things. Okay, let's get to the read aloud. Well, boys and girls, it's me, Rattenborough, back again. Today, we're going to talk about a group of animals that you already know a little something about, based on your own personal experience. Hilda Hippo is one of these, and I am one of these. Remember our mnemonic, all my best friends represent vertebrates? Yeah, the letter M in the word my stands for mammals. And guess what? You are mammals too. Who can name some characteristics of mammals? In what ways are you like Hilda and me? Wow, what keen observations you make. Yep, we are warm-blooded vertebrates with hair. I think you could help me teach this lesson. Let's begin with the name of this group, mammals. It comes from the Latin word mammalia. The word mammalia refers to a group of animals who possess mammary glands. Mammary glands are milk-producing organs belonging to female mammals. When female mammals give birth, they secrete a nourishing substance, milk, to feed their young. That is one of the primary characteristics of mammals. We feed our young milk. That's right. Rats drink mother's milk, hippopotami drink mother's milk, and so do humans. The mother's milk has all the nourishment that a baby needs. And mammals have backbones. Reach around and check out your back once more to make sure your backbone is still there. Of course it is. Without backbones, we wouldn't be able to sit up straight or hold our heads in the air. And our spinal cords that house the nerves that send messages to our brains would be unprotected. So Because we all have backbones, scientists call us what? Yeah, quite right. We are all vertebrates. Reptiles, amphibians, and fish all have a relatively low metabolism, and as you have learned, are classified as cold-blooded animals. Like birds, mammals, such as this horse, have a high metabolism, burning lots of energy to help them maintain a constant internal body temperature. What's the term that taxonomists use to classify mammals in terms of body temperatures? Yes, we're all warm-blooded. Okay, boys and girls, let's take a little break and talk about those text structures again. You just heard Rattenborough say, like birds, mammals, such as this horse, have a high metabolism. Now let's really focus in on the structure of what Rattenborough is telling us. He used the word like. Like birds, mammals, such as this horse, have a high metabolism. Well, you heard him say the word like. That means he's comparing. He's saying how birds and mammals are alike. And what's the way they're alike? They have a high metabolism. Okay, let's get back to the show. One of you was right when you said that mammals are covered in hair or fur. Some of us are hairier than others. Hilda hippo and other hippopotamuses don't look so hairy, do they? But you might remember that they do have a little bit of hair around their mouths, and on the tips of their ears, and their tails. Let's take a look at a few of our furrier friends.